Hi guys, good afternoon. I'm in country number 30 here in Lisbon for 24 hours-ish. So, follow my journey today.
The fado,
Does.
which is the opposite of foda. Foder is to
Mess
like
around.
kind of like mess around.
So, Baia Bato.
Barrio Alto.
Baia, well, here.
Barrio Alto.
Baia Alto.
Alto.
But you said this was Baia Bato.
This is Barrio Bato.
Okay, okay. Bata.
Barrio, bairro e Barrio Alto.
Ah. Alright.
High and low.
High and low. Got some live neighborhood at this little plaza. Alright guys, so we were just walking on Rua Augusta, and Benny brought us to this pastry shop that sells pastel de nata. It's called Fabrica da Nata, and this person is making them right now. She is putting the filling into the pre-made mini pie crust, as you see right there, and I'm so excited to try one of these. Alright guys, Benny has graciously gifted us with some pastel de nata. Basically an egg custard tart. See, and
Okay, so go right ahead, guys.
we're ready. I'll do cheers. There we go.
Here we go.
Cheers! Cheers! Cheers!
I know, right?
They're so good.
Man, it's very creamy, nice and crispy on the outside. That sugar and cinnamon makes a world of a difference.
Oh my god, I want this every day. I know, right?
Right? That way we get down
heard
the
it,
aisle
folks.
and we go like,
This is a winner. Okay, sorry. Alright, we're taking group photos. This is my crew. Pretty good crew. Oh, hey! He comes. He's joining us. So this is a typical day in the office as flight attendants. Benny making new friends again.
I have my brother-in-law. He's from Argentina. Yeah, he's married the sister.
we'll be carrying you home.
I was gonna say, right?
Cherry liquor.
Alright, so cheers.
Salud!
Salud.
Salud!
Opa!
Oh, that is good. Oh,
Is
Lord.
it good, right?
Oh my
Now half
god.
of it, and then you eat it like, you know, the chocolate.
Drink it half, like
Just half of it, and then pour the rest of it. You take the whole chocolate thing in your mouth, and there you go. Pretty good.
What do you think, girls?
There's a. By the way, careful. All fish here has bones.
Okay. Some cod fritters. What do you think? How does it taste?
Very good. I recommend it.
Whale. We got some baby clams. You're gonna be like my food guide right here. What does it taste like?
It's just like a mussel, but
They're babies. Slimy.
slimier, but good. You know, it's good flavor, right? It's
good.
Yeah.
Mas aqui dentro se calhar não apanha, aqui dentro tem um chão.
Tá.
Ali é que
Tá.
mas é entre
Nice savory, fresh.
Tá. He says it's
Peanut butter sauce.
For some reason, it's also in the net.
a ver o que é uma piranha. Isto não é uma piranha, uma dourada.
Bon appetit. We all got the same.
You can also say GoPro Hero.
Baked cod with some potatoes and a butter sauce.
Ela fazia assim.
This kind of falls off.
A bola fazia. Ficava suspensa. Boa noite. Os dois, cheesecake, bolacha, os dois.
His sister does all this stuff. His sister.
Well, wait to finish this meal. This is our third dessert. Tapioca. Pudding.
The cinnamon makes it.
Oh yeah.
Então quero levar ali, não é?
Para a viagem. Tá, obrigado.
Remember, did you ever watch that show Mel's Diet?
Hey, what's up guys? Alex right here. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you guys enjoyed my 24 hours in Lisbon, Portugal. If you guys haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button below for future videos. And please like this video as well. Right now I'm just hanging out in Narita Airport waiting to catch my next flight to Kuala Lumpur for some delicious food and awesome family time. So hope you guys have a good day today and stay tuned for more videos guys. Thank you for your support.